Backbone better bougie with another banger. Backbone better bougie with another banger. Backbone better bougie with another banger. And today in this episode, I have an extreme prank for y'all. I'm trying to be quiet so nobody hear me, but I'm gonna be pranking my sister, acting like I hurt myself in the little sink thing. What is called? A disposal garbage disposal. Yeah, that. I'm gonna be pranking my sister. I'm about to do makeup on my hands to make it look bloody and stuff. And I just want to say thank everyone for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into this banger.